Today we're making an egg salad. It's very, very simple, very common salad. And we're going to be adding some bacon to this because I love bacon. First off, we're going to fry the bacon and then we're going to crisp it up. And then chop that into pieces, and that is going to go into the salad. We're also going to be chopping our onions and dipping them in some vinegar. Next up, we're going to boil our eggs. For this recipe, we want hard-boiled eggs. I generally don't like soft-boiled eggs, so you will not see me featuring a recipe that has any soft-boiled eggs or runny eggs. I just don't like the texture. We're going to peel our eggs, of course, and then chop them into smaller pieces. And to the recipe, we're also going to be adding some garlic chives as well as some parsley and some peas. I really like peas in an egg salad, so that is going to be done as well. So now that we've got all our ingredients together, it's really just a matter of mixing everything. And this is not a difficult recipe. You're basically just boiling your eggs, make sure that they cool, and then to that we'll be adding a host of ingredients. And once that's done, we're going to refrigerate it. Full recipe up on gingerandseasalt.com as usual. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it. Please share it with your friends so that more people see these awesome recipes. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next one. Happy eating!